Alright guys, this is LA baby. Check this out. Tight alley, delivery trailer is going into the dock. But as you can see, my tractor is still half on the road, small space, sometimes heavy traffic, and no room for mistake, baby. Yeah. And this guy can't see the other side of my truck. Yeah, bro. Where you going, bro? Yeah, look at this guy. He has to change the lane because I broke this lane. I don't know if it's legal, illegal. But I had to back the truck into the door. Cars are waiting, but safety comes first. I always make sure the block, the lane, safety, put my hazards on and take my time. One wrong move in tight alley like this can cost 1,000, bro.